Yo, what's up? Check me out.
What's up?
Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How you doing?
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Fucking hell.
This time we gon' make it. Together we gon' shine. Can't let them see us fall, so we always on the grind. We headed to the top, baby. Say we headed to the top, baby. This time we gon' make it. Together we gon' shine. Can't let them see us fall, so we
What it do, BANDRUNNERZC squad? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shonda.
Let's eat money.
And we're back with another freaking video, you guys. As you can tell by the title, you guys, we are doing another monkey out video.
Right.
So this is going to be a little different, you guys. Eric's going to ask the people on monkey out to rate their girlfriend.
What?
Eric's going to ask the people on monkey out to rate their girlfriend.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah.
But
Cause you know I'm gonna be like she right, bro. You know what I'm saying? So go on to rate my girl real quick, bro.
it's going to be a twist to it, you guys. I'm going to actually have the teeth in my mouth. So when I get in the camera, we're going to get their reaction and see what they say.
Yeah.
So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
I already know.
And make sure you put down in the comments your favorite part of the video.
Right.
So we're going to do so much talking. You guys just go ahead and get into it, okay?
Right. Yo, what's good?
What's up?
Rate my girl real quick.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi. Oh, she cute though.
She cute.
Fine.
All right, 0, 1 to 10.
11.
She said,
So rate my girl
11.
from 1 to 10. Just go on and
All
say
right.
it. Yeah.
Bet. Yo, what's good?
You are so kind.
Hey, check me out. Hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How y'all doing?
Okay. Oh, she's really pretty.
Thank you.
For real though. You actually really pretty.
Thank you.
Why the fuck you lying?
Where are her line?
Yo,
What's up? That's on.
how are you?
Check this out. I'm fine. How are you? Hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm not going to comment because it's not fair.
It's not fair.
Oh, go ahead. Rate me, please.
No, thank you. Sorry.
What's wrong?
No.
Just 1 to 10. 1 to 10, easy. No hard feelings.
This ain't gonna call me 'cause
He
it
said
ain't
it's not
fair.
fair. Yo, what's good?
So funny.
Hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10 at a time.
How you doing?
Okay, well those are fake teeth.
1
Nice
to
try.
1 to 10 though.
If she didn't have,
Huh?
those teeth in, even if she did, because it doesn't matter. I'm gonna give her a 10.
A
Thank
10?
you.
Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Yo, what's good, bro? Check me out, man. Rate my girl from 1 to 10, alright?
I bet.
How you doing?
She okay? Yeah. She a 10.
Bet.
Period. I'm getting a lot of 10s.
Yo, 9 and 10, bro, with the teeth. Come on, bro.
Oh, they lying.
4 is late. Hey, what's up?
Sup?
Rate,
Yo, man.
hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How you doing?
10.
Thank you,
Alright, man.
girl.
Appreciate that.
Ooh,
Pretty.
thank you.
Okay. 10, bro, with the teeth. Okay.
I guess the world comes to you. You're supposed to lie for no reason.
I'm gonna have to order me some teeth and then we're gonna flip it around. They probably be like, hell no. Check it. Yo, what's up?
Yo, I'm wearing a red hoodie too.
Already, check me out though. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How you doing?
Oh, I like your sweater. My cousin wants your hair.
Thank
I'll
you.
give you a solid 7.
Okay, thank you, girl.
7. We lost her, but she gives us 7 bit. Yo, what's up? Check me out, buddy. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How you doing?
Rate my girl.
Hi. Huh?
Why you do scared, boy? You need to go to bed, man.
What happened to your teeth?
What?
Let me go over here and go say, hey, how y'all doing?
Yo, what's good? Check me out. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Oh, you're beautiful.
Thank you. What you doing?
Chilling.
Okay.
She didn't rate with a goofy ass. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How you doing?
Come on.
She's cute. A 10.
She said, she wasn't trying to be mean. Yo, what's up? Check me out. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How y'all doing?
Hi. 10.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
1.
You see how, man, she switched up, bro. Yo, what's good, bro? What up, Thug Life? Check this out, bro. Rate my girl from 1 to
What
10.
y'all doing?
Bitch.
What?
I told you, bro. Dudes be acting right. Females be like, oh, you know, I don't want to be mean. You know. Yo, what's good? Hey, y'all rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How you doing?
Alright. Oh, you're pretty.
Thank you.
1 to 10.
You're cute. And Tom. You like
Ah, man, I should have added time. They gonna start roasting, bro. Alright, I'm starting adding time on them, man. Yo, what's up? Check me out.
What's up?
Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How you doing?
Hi, Didi.
Hi.
Fucking hell.
That's from the UK, so you know the lingo different. She said F and L. Yo, what's good? Hey, check me out, bro. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How you doing?
What the fuck?
What?
Fucking G. Boy, that's that Texas shit for real. Cut that shit.
He said that's that Texas stuff for real, man. What's up? What that mean? Hey, yo, what's up? Check me out. Hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
What? You ugly.
Aunt Jemima head ass. Goofy ass. Houston, yo, what's up? Hey, check me out. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Ooh, you're pretty.
Thank you.
1 to 10.
Tech 10. No, BMS.
DMS. What's that low key, bro?
Hi, how y'all doing?
Yo, what's good?
What's up, bro?
Hey, check me out, bro. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hi.
I'll give it a 10, bro.
Already, man. 100.
Alright, y'all take care.
They lying, bro.
Well, he lying, but he cool, though. You know what I'm saying? He kept it G. Yo, what's up?
What's up, OG?
Hey, check me out, bro. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hey, how y'all doing?
How you doing, Shawty?
Hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
She like a hard 10.
She like a hard 10. Cool. You winning, babe.
Oh, really?
With the teeth.
A
Okay.
period? A
Period?
period?
Boy, mom, so. Hey, yo, what's up, bro?
Hey, what you
Hey,
doing?
rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Oh, she cute.
She cute? What's up? 1
1
to
to
10.
10.
I give you a 9.
Thank you. Ooh, cute.
That dude's teeth was messed up, so I hope he wouldn't say nothing. Yo, what's up? Hey,
Yo, where are you from, bro? I
Ra-
can't read where you're from.
rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How y'all doing?
That's all you, nigga. That's all you.
He said, that's all you,
That's-
nigga. Yo, what's good?
What's that?
Hey, check me out. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hi.
1 to 10, nigga. She's just bad. Yo, what's good? Hey,
What's up?
check me out. Y'all rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How y'all doing?
You're really pretty, but the teeth.
The teeth?
What up?
Yo, what's good?
I don't know what's up with it.
Hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hi.
Them teeth?
No, like,
That's
Them-
0, but your face is like a 7.
Oh,
7. 7 and a 0, babe?
70.
That's what I'm saying. 70%. You're a C. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Check me out. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, that's an easy 20. She's gorgeous.
Thank you.
They trying to laugh. What that mean,
They're
bro?
trying to be petty.
Yo. Hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hi.
You are very beautiful.
Thank you.
1 to 10.
11.
Thank
11.
you.
Okay. Okay.
Don't let me suffer.
Yo, what's up? Hey, y'all rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How y'all doing?
Hey, rate my girl though. Right. Hey, y'all rate my girl. Hey, check me out. Hey, y'all, hey, hold on. Ain't no hard feelings. Y'all gotta rate my girl though. Real talk.
Bro, she a straight up kid. I already know this fake.
Take them teeth out and then you good.
Nah, that's her teeth though.
Not fake.
Nah, nah, fam. Look, we trying to run these bands up so we can fix her teeth. But I need a rating, cause if not, then I ain't gonna spend my money. You feel me?
Bro, she a kid, bro.
She can, but she a 10, but the teeth can come out.
Like, look, can your girlfriend.
She said her teeth. She said she believed her smile was pretty though.
They say I look like Beyonce.
That's real. That's real.
You do.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes I think I look like Cardi B.
Sometimes she spit when she's eating.
No. That time, yo. She cute.
Yo, what's good?
Well, you fine.
Hey, check me out though. Rate my girl.
Girlfriend?
Yeah, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How y'all doing?
Oh, fuck no.
Hey, yo, what's good?
Hey, what y'all doing?
What's up?
We're just playing Fortnite.
Oh,
Oh my God.
Poppin'? What's poppin'?
Hey, oh my God.
Our time.
Hey, hey, check me out. Y'all rate my old lady.
Add more time? Can you add more time?
Yeah, we did. Check me out though. Rate my girl from 1 to 10. All right.
Sorry, what was that? Sorry. What?
Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Let me see. Oh, James, you're 9. She's
Thank
pretty
you.
as hell.
thank you.
I appreciate it. 1 to
She's
10.
sexy.
Oh,
So she was like
1 to
a
10? Alright. Let me say 2.
2.
1 to 10? Yeah, bro, it's 10.
I thought you said she was sexy though.
Oh,
So you lying? Come on.
see, I get on. They'll keep me up on time.
I mean, that's the same.
Yo, what's good?
What's good? How you on?
I'm fine. Hey, check me out. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How you doing?
She's pretty in the face, but what's wrong with her teeth?
Hold on, wait a minute, honey.
All right, check this out. Yo, what's good?
What's up? Cute EBO?
Hey, check this out.
What you say? That's nasty.
You ugly. Your teeth. Oh my god. Your teeth.
Hey, rate 1 to 10.
No.
You ugly, girl. Oh,
Another one, babe. Yo, what's good?
What's good?
Hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Okay.
How y'all doing?
Oh. Hey, that's like the girl that we saw in YouTube that she has to. Yeah, I wrote with names. Okay, you.
What do you think?
Yo, what's good, bro? Hey, y'all rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How y'all doing?
What's so funny? She put her whole phone down. Like lagging. Okay, all right. What's good?
What's good?
Hey.
How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you? Hey, check this out. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Doing good.
Oh, your eyebrows pretty.
I said rate. H-Town. Yo, what's good?
look good.
Hey, fam. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hi.
Oh, hell no.
Y'all hear that dude in the background? Yo, what's up?
What's happening? Oop, what's happening, daddy?
Hey, check me out. Y'all rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How y'all doing? Hi.
You know what I'm talking about? Those videos?
I get right.
You know those videos?
Yeah.
Run. She said run. Oh, SD, babe. SD, what's good? Hey, check me out. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How y'all doing? Hi.
you a whole ass 11.
Thank you, period.
Period.
Yeah. They from SD, bro.
That one over there regular.
Alright. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How you doing? Hi.
Your makeup on point. I know that made you real deep. Girl, you look scared.
She said you look carrot.
What's up, Eric?
Hey, yo, what's good? Hey, rate my girl.
Shit, he look cute. Oh my god, he sound cute.
No, check. Hey, add time. Alright, check me out. Y'all rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How y'all doing?
Good. That bitch.
What?
What's so funny?
That bitch.
No,
They real.
we tryna get our money right.
No, they real.
They real. We trying to get the money right so I can fix her teeth.
Like that to me.
No, listen though. If y'all rate her good, if she get good ratings, then I'll pay for for her dental. You know what I mean?
That bitch, she said hated me like this. I can't.
So what? So y'all give her like a 5 or what?
I give that hoe a motherfucking 100 with ugly ass. If she knew all the love she could get.
But damn.
Alright. Dang. Oh, he's from Phoenix? Yo, what's good, bro?
What's up, bro?
Hey, check me out, bro. Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Huh?
What's up?
Rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hell, shit, I give her 13. Hold on, that's not. I give her 13.
You give her 13 already, bro.
Yeah.
I see y'all putting on for Bird City, my nigga.
Hey, tell her to rate me.
Right hand, babe.
Oh.
Emoji face ass.
Oh.
Emoji face. She's funny as hell.
Hey, check me out, fam. I appreciate y'all rating, cause now like I'm gonna pay for a dental. You feel me?
No, you ain't what? I don't want no braces. I told you this is a mark of my beauty.
Bite the fuck out of your dick.
Yeah.
When she get mad, she grow more teeth.
This is a mark of my beauty. I'm not getting no
She get
braces.
mad, her bottom teeth to the top teeth. I'm lying.
I ain't getting no braces.
You happy, bro?
Okay.
Put on a new jacket and stuff. Yo, what's good, bro? Hey, rate my girl from 1 to 10.
Hey,
No, I'm straight, bro.
Come on now, bro.
Damn, that bitch ugly than a bitch. What the fuck?
He was like, no, I'm straight. And then he gonna rate anyway. Alright, let's go. Yo, what's good?
Like that dude that thought he was funny.
Hey, check me out. Y'all rate my girl from 1 to 10.
how y'all doing?
Add time.
Y'all gonna rate her? Y'all rate my girl, man. From 1 to 10.
Can they take the fake teeth out?
No, that's her real teeth. See, I told her that if you get good ratings, I'll pay for that dental. But if you don't, I can't do it.
11.
11. What you eating, hot Cheetos? Your teeth gonna end up like hers. 2 people. Yo, what's up? Hey, check me out. Y'all rate my girl from 1 to 10.
How y'all doing?
Oh my god.
The dude was like laying down. He's like, oh.
Okay, you guys, it's gonna put the entire video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. Stay tuned for more videos, you guys.
Right.
And we love you guys in this BANDRUNNERZC squad all day, every day. And we in.
We out.
Peace out, squad.
Squad.
This time we gon' make it together.